Welcome to part 1 in our ceramic identity box series. In this video we're going to roll and cut the slabs we need to build the parts for our box. So we need to create 6 sides for our box, and we're going to be cutting 4-inch tiles for each side that are 3/8 of an inch thick. To get the proper thickness, use one thin and one thick spacer bar on each side. As you roll out your clay, try to roll out the longest slab you can and move the spacer bars with you in order to keep rolling it even. Flip your slab over halfway through to prevent it from warping. Now with our slab rolled out, we're going to use a damp sponge to smooth out any surface cracks. Now, using a 4-inch tile template and a straight edge, cut as cleanly as you can 6 tiles. You may have to roll out a few slabs in order to do this, so take your time and make sure that you cut cleanly. Try to cut your next tile as close to the previous one as you can. This way you can try to get more tiles out of one piece of clay. Make sure to take your time and use the straight edge to keep all of your tiles coming out nice and straight. After you have a few squares made, you can start to stick newspaper in between each one and stack them. This will help them to dry flat and also help to control the drying rate by absorbing some of the water. To get bigger slabs, try to use about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of clay. And try to roll out your slab or prep your slab by stretching it into a longer rectangle. This will already put it in the shape you want. As you're rolling, remember to keep your rolling pin on the guides to keep the clay nice and even. Again, remember to flip it over about halfway through and roll it again in order to keep it from warping as it dries. And now we'll cut the remaining sides of our box using a template and the straight edge. Now that we got all the sides of our box cut, we're going to stack them all with sheets of newspaper in between and store them in a bag overnight to allow them to dry a little bit. In our next video, we're going to bevel the edges of these and begin to build our box.